Going to do a side yard update. Yeah, I'm starting to get some flowers on my zinnia. And I'm getting some ripe blueberries. Yeah, this tastes really good. And my zinnia is going to be blooming. Those are the first ones that'll bloom, I'm sure. And my roses are doing well, tied back like this. Now they have blooms that are not really up super high. They're going to be along the fence. And I put this up here, and it does work. So these are the purple flowers I got from the 99-cent store. They're really, really bright purple. And I'm hoping that they'll sort of cascade down the hanging basket. I planted some sunflowers, and these are the cucumber. I'm not sure if they're going to survive or not. And these are sunflowers. They're getting pretty tall. I don't see any flower buds yet. This is flowers that I got, that I grew from seed. I think I got it from the Dollar Tree. And this is the basil I got from the 99-cent store. Seems to be doing pretty well in that pot. I'm starting to get a lot of flowers on my lemon trees. It smells almost the same as orange blossom, not as strong, but it's really nice. Every day I come out here, I see snails in my pot. This pot, they always seem to get in because there's a lot of the leaves from the flower bulbs. So I'm hoping I get some flowers pretty soon. Some flower stalks. So I always have to lift this up here and look for snails. And sometimes I look in the morning, I don't see any. And then I come later in the day and they're there. So it's like a constant vigil. So here is the roses that are tied to this trellis, and it seems like they're doing pretty well. Guess they're getting enough sun. Getting flowers on my serrano pepper plant. And here is some more. This is some more sunflowers. And this is the tomato plant that survived the winter. Now it's doing really well. I have some little tomatoes growing. There's another one. Grew this tomato from seed, from a tomato that I got from this plant here. So I guess these are good tomatoes to save the seeds. And this is another sunflower. I got cilantro here. It's growing pretty well. Here's another sunflower. I'm gonna have a lot of sunflowers. This is another tomato plant that I grew from seed. And this is another one. Here are two more. This one I grew from seed. And this one. This is the tomato plant that I got. It's a salsa tomato. It did recover. And maybe I'll have some tomatoes on it. It's not growing as big as this one here. This tomato plant is growing really big. I don't see any tomatoes on it yet though. Yeah, I don't think there's any tomatoes yet. And this is the zucchini. This is the zucchini. I tried to plant a seedling of cucumber in there, It didn't, I guess it didn't get enough sun. So I'm going to train this up onto this trellis. And here is another sunflower. Then I have to prop them up on sticks. But this one seems like it's the tallest one. I think this is the, yeah, this is the seed from the big sunflower that I grew last year. Oh, this leaf got broke. Well, I don't see any flower bud yet. I think this is going to be a really tall one. So that is my side yard update for today.